Hello everyone, I am Kaushik Chakraborty. Welcome you all to the best rooftop gardening channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the best rooftop gardening channel. Today I will show you some new plants I bought this weekend. First you can see Azalea. I bought 3 Azalea plants. You can see the beautiful flower. And here is the third one. And I bought one rose plant, the beautiful rose. You can see multicolored rose. It has a very strong fragrance. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful petals, multicolored petals. And here is 2 Cycas plants I bought from nursery, and these are Begonia plants. And this one is Pinwheel flower. It is also called Chandni. And it is a flowering plant, though I am not sure the name. It will have a flower like this one. And this is Korobi. These are the some plants I bought this weekend. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updated videos regularly.